Hello and welcome back to another Golden Insights. We're so happy to have you back in the garden today. We're a few weeks after our last application of Crown Jewels Bloom and our Imperial Boost, and the results have been fantastic. You can see behind me, our dahlias are going crazy. I'm getting the largest, tightest, densest blooms that I've ever had out of this bed, out of these flowers, and it's just been great. We're about midsummer now, and we want to just have these keep cranking out for the next few weeks at least, well into the fall if we can. So we're gonna harvest as many of these blooms as we can, get them off there, make room for the new buds to open up, and then we're gonna hit them again with another combination of that Bloom and Boost with a little of that extreme biology to get them back in action. So Sarah here and I are gonna cut all these dahlias back. What we're really looking for the best flowers for bouquets is tight blossoms that haven't started to drop any of the petals off the back. Some of these are a little past their prime. You're starting to see them fall. We're gonna get those out of here, maybe keep them for a day or two, but then those will head to the compost pile. But these nice tight blossoms that are all intact, we're gonna spread those through the neighborhood and spread some more cheer.